Good evening, students. Am I audible, online students? Okay. So profit and loss. Last class we have done type 5. The type 5 is dishonest dealer. After this dishonest dealer, next type is milkman. Okay. Type 6 milkman type of questions. So we will see what type of cheating this milkman can do. Okay. Like first question number 11 in our handout. Question number 11 here is a milkman professes to sell milk at cost price to the customer, but still he make a profit of 16.66% as he used to mix water in the pure milk. What is the ratio that we will see later? But just tell me, concept wise, what is the difference in dishonest dealer type of question and milkman type of question? मतलब जो dishonest dealer और milkman में what is the difference? Milk with water include करेगा. See here, we try to learn two concepts. One with the help of dishonest dealer we have learned yesterday, and here second concept is milkman. I tell you what is the difference. Dishonest dealer and here milkman. This dishonest dealer, like here, what type of cheating this dishonest dealer is doing? Giving less, like here, quantity, but pure. वो 800 ग्राम दे रहा है instead of 1 kg, but giving the pure and still better. मिल्कमैन का तो पता नहीं क्या मिला रहा है, यमुना जी का पानी मिला रहा है, कहाँ कहाँ मिला रहा है. So here, this dishonest dealer doing cheating by way of quantity. वो quantity पे cheating कर रहा है. Quantity, giving less quantity, 800 gram instead of 1 kg, 900 gram instead of 1 kg, 950 gram instead of 1 kg. Whereas this milkman type of cheating is, milkman is doing adulteration, adding something like here which is either free of cost or less costly. तो वो क्वालिटी कंप्रोमाइज कर रहा है, वो क्वांटिटी कंप्रोमाइज कर रहा था. So second type of cheating is where people, what they do, they mix something which is either free of cost or less costly to make profit. ये दूसरी तरह की cheating है. Like here, even what I can do, this milkman can do the same thing what this dishonest dealer has done. Like here, there will be a question: a milkman professes to sell milk at cost price, but he used to deliver 800 ml instead of 1 liter, but pure milk. मतलब 800 ml दे रहा है instead of 1 liter. Still better, 800 ml is pure. And here dealer also can do adulteration. Like here dealer claim that he is selling rice free of cost, or like not free of cost, he is selling rice at no profit, no loss. But he used to add inferior quality of rice or dust which is free of cost. मतलब उसने dust add करके बेच रहा है to increase the profit. Okay, so what we will do, there are two types of cheating. One type of cheating where we compromise the quantity, we give 800 gram instead of 1 kg. Second type of cheating is where we compromise the quality, we do adulteration, we add water in milk. Okay, see here that type of question we have. Fine. So now here in this milkman type of question, there is one special type which we will discuss, and we have a shortcut for that. And what is that special is where milkman, what milkman is doing is making profit only because of adulteration. वो सिर्फ प्रॉफिट पानी मिलाने से ऐड करेगा. We can get answer just in 2 seconds. Let me explain the concept. Okay. Now here, for example, I'm the milkman. And I tell you what is the difference here. Milkman purchases milk. Milkman खरीदता तो milk है, but he sell mixture. बेचता वो milk plus water है. He purchases milk, but he sell mixture, which is milk plus water. Okay, like for example, I'm the milkman. I purchase 5 liters of milk at the rate of ₹20 per liter. So my investment ₹100. मैंने 5 liter milk खरीदा 100 रुपए में. Now the point is, government has fixed the price. Either I purchase or sell, price is ₹20 per liter. Price fix कर दिया government. So here, if I sell 5 liters at the rate of 20, I will not get any profit. But what I will do to make profit, I do adulteration. I add water. 1 liter, for example. So what will happen? 5 liter milk, 1 liter water. What is this total mixture? 6 liter. 1 liter ₹20, 6 liter ₹120. So my investment ₹100. In return, I get 120. What is my profit in between? ₹20 profit. Is this okay? मेरे को 120 रुपए मिले, but मेरे लगे 100 रुपए थे, तो मेरा profit 20 रुपए. Next time, to have more profit, what I have done, I have taken 5 liter milk of ₹100. I have added more water, 2 liter water. So what will happen? 7 liter. And each liter ₹20, so I get ₹140. My investment 100. So what is my profit here? ₹40. Now I got the formula to increase profit. After that, pani. Okay. 5 liter milk, 3 liter water. So total mixture 8 liter. My investment ₹100. 8 liter at the rate of 20, I get 116 return. So my profit in between 60 rupees. If I add more water, then you ask where is the milk in the mixture. Okay. Now here, for example, any one of you Gandhiwadi will not add water. आप चाह रहे हो कि आप चीटिंग नहीं करेंगे, सिलेक्शन के बाद करप्शन नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है, आपने कसम खा ली मान. For example, 5 liter of milk you purchase in ₹100 and you add no water. So it means you sell pure 5 liter milk in the market and where price is 20 only. So in return you get 100. Your investment 100 and in return you get 100. What is your profit in between? Thenga. So what is the concept? देखो concept समझना. If there is no water, no profit. 1 liter water, ₹20 profit. 2 liter water, ₹40 profit. 3 liter water, ₹60 profit. So as you increase the quantity or volume of water, your profit increase. So what give profit? Milk or water? Water. मिल्क प्रॉफिट नहीं दे रहा, मिल्क में वो बात ही नहीं जो प्रॉफिट दे. प्रॉफिट देगा तो पानी देगा, बिकॉज देर इज नो वाटर, नो प्रॉफिट. मिल्क, व्हाट इज मिल्क? मिल्क इज योर इन्वेस्टमेंट. मिल्क आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट है. मिल्क हेल्प यू टू रिकवर योर इन्वेस्टमेंट ₹100. इफ यू वांट टू अर्न बियॉन्ड 100, यू हैव टू ऐड वाटर. So in this type of question where milkmen make profit because of adulteration, here milk is cost price and water is profit. यहाँ पे पानी ही profit है और milk is your investment. And in this type of question we have a shortcut. Within 5 seconds we get an answer. Like question number 11 in our handout. Question number 11 is a milkman professes to sell milk at cost price to the customer, but still he make a profit of 16.66% as he used to mix water in the pure milk. Even like you can see his intention to add water to make profit. यहाँ पे जो profit आ रहा है वो सिर्फ पानी की वजह से आ रहा है. He make profit because he has added water and he make profit 16.66%. What is the ratio of milk to water in 1 liter of mixture? I will take this question, but before that I tell you one more thing. Yesterday we have studied what is profit percentage, selling price minus cost price upon cost price into 100% without 100%. But tell me, what is selling price? Cost price plus profit. मान लो ये मार्कर मैंने 100 रुपए का खरीदा, 20 रुपए प्रॉफिट है, तो सेलिंग प्राइस 120. टेक कॉस्ट प्राइस अदर साइड. तो व्हाट इज सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस कॉस्ट प्राइस? P. So the difference of selling price cost price is your profit. So can I replace it with P? Yes. So you can say profit percentage is nothing P upon CP. Yesterday test में यही वैल्यू यूज की थी. If your cost price 50, your profit 50, तो your profit 1 by 1 100%. So you can use this also to save your time. P upon CP also give you profit percentage. क्योंकि selling price minus cost price is P only. So profit percentage is P upon CP also you can take. Okay, just wait, let me take question. Milkman question. What is the formula of profit percentage? Either you can say yesterday we have studied selling price minus cost price upon cost price. But difference of selling price and cost price is nothing, that is P. So you can say profit percentage is P upon CP. In this question, how much profit this milkman is making? Already given 16.66%. Question में ये आंसर है. Here this milkman make profit 16.66%. Can you tell me what is the fraction value of 16.66%? 1 by 6. So can I say P upon CP is equal to 1 by 6? 1 by 6. And here I tell you fraction and ratio are same. 1 by 2 you can write 1:2. Fraction or ratio same होता है. 2 by 3 is nothing, 2:3. So can I say P upon CP is 1 by 6? So it means P is to CP is 1:6. And when milkman make profit, only because of adulteration. जब milkman सिर्फ adulteration से profit बनाता है, तो profit is water, cost price is milk. So what is the ratio of water is to milk? We have 1:6. Question में पूछा what is the ratio of milk to water? So you can reverse it, milk to water 6:1. I repeat, profit percentage is selling price minus cost price upon cost price, and selling price minus cost price is nothing P. So profit percentage का we have a short formula also. In some of the question today we will use. आज के lecture में I use this formula as well. Profit percentage can be taken as P upon CP, which is 16.66%. Fraction value of 16.66% is 1 by 6. So P upon CP is 1 by 6. It means P is to CP is 1:6. तो इनका रेशियो हो गया 1:6. And I explain. अभी मैंने explain किया अगर पानी नहीं है तो profit नहीं है. If milkman make profit only because of adulteration, so this profit is water, cost price is milk. So this ratio is nothing. This is water is to milk ratio already given in the question. तो इस क्वेश्चन में वाटर और मिल्क का रेशियो 1:6 है. लेट अस ट्राई वन एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन. यू कैन नोट डाउन. A milkman professes to sell milk at cost price to the customer. ठीक है, सेम क्वेश्चन, but instead of 16.66% you make it 25%. Still he make a profit of 25%. Question number 11, same question. 25% के लिए you find what is the ratio of the milk to water in 1 liter of mixture. तो हमें milk is to water का रेशियो निकालना है. 25%. Okay, so how we will solve this? Profit percentage, our formula is profit upon CP, which is given in the question 25%. And what is 25%? 1 by 4. So P upon CP here is 1 by 4. So we can use it as a ratio. P is to CP 1:4. And when milkman make profit only because of adulteration, profit is water, cost price is milk. तो here water is to milk ratio 1:4, milk is to water ratio 4:2. तो यहां पे मिल्क और वाटर का रेशियो हो गया 4:2. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट टाइप 7. टाइप 7 इज सक्सेसिव डिस्काउंट. Successive discount. In my percentage class, I have taken successive percentage. Today we will cover successive discount. I have taken one example in percentage on successive percentage. तो आज हम successive discount पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है? How many of you are able to recall PCG, percentage change graphic? Now here I just give example. And many time I told it is not core mathematics. It is your surrounding. Aptitude is your surrounding. Today I tell you the concept of discount. If you go to any market like Karol Bagh market, CP, Sarojini Nagar market, for you, for your friend, लाजपत नगर मार्केट, अभी जैसे सर मार्केट से घूम के आ रहे हैं, ठीक है, ओल्ड राजेंद्र नगर मार्केट, ठीक है, एट योर होम टाउन. ऑनलाइन वाले स्टूडेंट्स अपने होम टाउन में. He is consistency. This is called consistency. To come late in every class. ठीक है, कहीं तो consistency है. Anyways, चलो come to the topic. कोटी हैदराबाद. If you go to market, you come across two type of discount. I tell you one type of discount, you find some of the store they display discount is 50% plus 30% plus 20%. ऐसा लिखा होगा, discount 50% plus 30% plus 20%. You are mathematics student, tell me 50 plus 30, 80 plus 20, 100%. Are they giving free? Just cross check. Sometime height of discount 40% plus 40% plus 40%, 120%. Are they giving free in return saying भैया ये भी लेके जाओ? No. So this is one type of discount. I tell you what is the jhol here, what is the problem here, and many like here chain जैसे Max है and others big chain, they do this 50% plus 50% discount. फर्स्ट डिस्काउंट 50%, सेकंड डिस्काउंट 50%. ओके, वहां स्टार लगा होगा और बड़े छोटे से अक्षरों में लिखा हुआ है जो आप पढ़ भी नहीं पाओगे, टर्म एंड कंडीशन. सो दिस इज लाइक अर्लियर देयर यूज्ड टू बी वन चेन कुटन स्टोर, उन्होंने ये किया था, एंड देयर आर मेनी चेन नाउ. यू कैन सी दे यूज दिस डिस्काउंट पॉलिसी. सेकंड टाइप ऑफ डिस्काउंट, you go to market, you can see big banner 20 feet by 10 feet. करोलवा मेट्रो से 1 किलोमीटर दूर से दिख जाएगा. क्या लिखा होगा यहाँ पे? फ्लैट डिस्काउंट 90%. जो दूर से दिखेगा, जो पास जाके भी नहीं दिखेगा, अप टू, बहुत छोटा सा होगा. यू नीड मैग्नीफाइंग लेंस. Star, term and condition apply. Okay, so you go to that store because you have seen discount 90%, flat discount. So if they are saying flat discount, it means there is second type of discount. इस तरह का भी discount होता है. We will see what is the relation. Okay, and you go to that store, you see 90% discount is display, and you go there, you choose any article. I guarantee they will say, sir, this is fresh arrival. There is no discount. जो चीज आपको पसंद आएगी उस पर डिस्काउंट नहीं देने का. They give 10% discount. Then you will say you have written flat discount. वो बोलेंगे सर पढ़ लो up to 90% है. मतलब it can include 10%, 20%, 50%, 0%, 90%. That is we have to decide. Then you ask what the hell is this? What are the article where you are giving 90% discount? वहां कोने में सड़े हुए जूते रखे होंगे जो भाई साहब बारिश में अभी पहन के हैं, वहां उतारते हैं. कोई 90% डिस्काउंट में भी ना ले. So here what they do, just they kill your time and energy. Finally you feel exhausted and you purchase. Last में कूड़ा ही खरीद के लाते हैं हम फिर वो डिस्काउंट के चक्कर में. So here there is one type of discount is flat discount. Second type of discount is successive discount. These are not flat discount. These are successive discount. Like I take this example. Here there is one store which allow or which give a discount, successive discount. First discount 50%, second discount 30%, third discount 20%. I give you two methods. One is assumption method. Like here, for example, you went to one store and you have chosen one shirt where MRP on that shirt is 1000. Price mark is 1000. Okay. You know the worth of that shirt. You don't want to purchase that shirt in 1000. आपको शर्ट खरीदने but 1000 में नहीं. Then they will say, sir, first discount of 50%. आपके लिए 50% का discount है. See here. First discount 50% is given, 50% of 1000 is 500 rupees discount is given. Then they will say, sir, price is 500 rupees. Still you are not agree to purchase that shirt in 500, then they will give you one extra discount. And they give you a second discount of 30%. They will say, sir, 30% discount for you only. क्योंकि आप पे दिल आ गया, ठीक है? But the problem here is they don't give 30% discount on original value. उतना दिल भी नहीं आया. They give next discount on the successive value. So what is the meaning of successive discount? When the discount is offered on successive value, बची हुई value पे. So they give 30% discount on 500. What is 30% of 500? 150. 50-50, yeah. 30 upon 100 into 500. 20 cancel, 150 rupees. So you got second discount of 150. Then they will say, sir, price is 350 for you. Okay. Still you are not agree to purchase that shirt in 350. Then they will say, sir, one extra discount 20%. Today is your birthday, your girlfriend, boyfriend birthday. So politely they will give 20% discount to you. But problem is they don't give 20% discount on 1000, on 500. They give next discount on the next successive value. बची हुई वैल्यू के ऊपर 20% देंगे तो what is 20% of 350? 70, 35 plus 35, 70 rupees discount they have given. So now here 280. Finally you purchase that shirt in 280. And if you will not purchase 280, then they will say, sir, we will come along with you. मतलब और क्या चाहिए आपको, मतलब 280 में खरीदा. And see your bargaining power. The shirt mark 1000 you have purchased in 280. Now, our concept is, have you got 100% discount? No. Instead of doing all this drama, they would have given a single discount. एक सीधा single discount ही बता देते. See here, finally how much discount you are getting? You are getting a discount of 500 plus 150 plus 70. You get a discount of 720. So the point is, overall how much percentage you get? 720 out of 1000 into 100%. 20 cancels, 72%. So in mathematics, sometime 50% plus 30% plus 20% is 72%. Why? These are successive discount and this is flat discount. सीधा 1000 के ऊपर 720 रुपए का discount also you can calculate. Final price 280, overall discount you got 720. These are successive discount. One method is this assumption. Second method is PCG. I told in my percentage class, for successive percentage and discount, we can apply PCG. What we do, we start with 100. There are 3 discount apply one by one. First discount given 50% on 100. Then remaining value is 50. Second discount given on successive value 30%. What is 30% of 50? 15. 50 minus 15, 35. Then you got a third discount of 20% on the successive value. What is 20% of 35? 7 minus 7. 35 minus 7 is 28. 28 is your final price. But you have to find overall how much discount we got. Overall discount, this value will tell you 50, 15, 7. So you got overall discount of 72%. We have not got 100% discount. We got only 72% discount. Let me take one more question. Like for example, Reliance Store has announced a discount of 50% plus 50% on Diwali sale. First discount 50%, second discount 50%, but these are successive discount. So overall, how much discount we are getting? Successive discount of 50% plus 50% is equal to a single discount of how much percentage? इस तरह का क्वेश्चन आएगा. Successive discount of 50% plus 50% is equal to single discount of how much percentage? So step number 1, we start with 100. First discount 50% on 150, it become 50. Second discount is on successive value. 50% of 50 is 25. So final price 25. But what is your overall discount? 50 and 25, 70. You have not got 100% discount. You got overall only 75% discount because second discount is value. You try one question. Successive discount of 40% plus 40% plus 20% is equal to a single discount of how much percentage? 40% plus 40% plus 20% is equal to how much percentage? कितना? दो में से एक काम मत करो कभी भी. या तो लेट मत आओ. अगर लेट आओ तो सबसे पहले आंसर मत दो, क्योंकि दोनों में से कोई एक गलत होगा. $71. These are successive discount 40% plus 40% plus 20%. क्या आ रहा है? So now here we start with 100. First discount 40%. Now it is 60. Second discount 40% on 60. What is 40% of 60? 24, 36. Third discount on the successive value 7.2. So here, what is this value? अच्छा, I tell you one thing. Have you seen that movie, धमाल movie? सामने लाल बटन है, नहीं दबाना. मुझे इसका करना क्या है बताओ. दिस इज द फाइनल वैल्यू. आई आस्क डिस्काउंट. तो डिस्काउंट के लिए यू कैन सेव योर टाइम. यू जस्ट ऐड दिस वैल्यू. यही तो आंसर देगी. 40, 24, 7.2, 71.2. उसको निकालोगे, फिर 100 में से माइनस करोगे. दिस वैल्यू इज योर एक्चुअल डिस्काउंट. यू गॉट ए डिस्काउंट ऑफ 40, 24, 7.2. So overall, you got a single discount of 71.2%. You can save your time. Let us try one question. Maybe calculation is time consuming. Otherwise, concept wise, it is not problem. Question number 12 in our handout. Question number 12 here is successive discount of 10%, 12%, 15% amount to a single discount of. तीन डिस्काउंट है. 10%, 12%, 15% amount to a single discount of how much percentage? हो गया 32.68 चलो 32 तक तो पहुंचे हम Okay, quickly I take this. Just check the calculation. Start with 100. First discount 10%, 10, value 90. Second discount 12% of 90. So how you can calculate? Either you can multiply or I do break. 10%, 1%, 1%, 10%, 9, 1%, 0.9, 1%, 0.9. It is 10.8. So here 90 minus 10.8 is 79.2. Then third discount is 15% of this. You can do 10% and 5%. If I have to do this calculation, I take 10%, 5%, 10%, 7.92, 5% half, which is 3.96. 10 का आधा 5% होता है. अगर नहीं तो स्कूल कैलकुलेशन कर लो 15/100 इंटू 79.2. थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. So now here third discount is 11.88. So third discount here is 11.88. I told you no need for this value because they are single discount. तो यहीं से discount पता चल जाएगा. You got overall discount of 10, 10.8, 11.88, 10, 10.8, 11.88. So you get 32.6. So a single discount of 32.68% equal to successive discount of 10, 12, 15. Next, type 8. Yesterday, I told you either it is profit or loss, both are calculated over cost price. Profit percentage or loss percentage, it is selling price minus cost price upon cost price. We have cost price as a base. If, for example, any one of you calculate it like selling price minus cost price upon selling price, tell me it will be correct or wrong? Wrong. Now you have learned profit and loss, you have to rectify. Okay. Next question. Question number 13 in our handout. There are two questions in one question. Question number 13 क्या कह रहा है? A boy by mistake calculated the profit percentage taking selling price as the base. Selling price as the base. So it means it is wrong. And found its value to be 33.33%. What is the actual profit percentage? तो पहले profit करते हैं. What if it was loss percentage? वो बाद में करेंगे. See, point is a boy calculated the profit percentage taking selling price as a base and found its value is 33.33%. So it means it is wrong. To find correct profit percentage, take your time. क्वेश्चन समझ में आया? मैंने क्या किया? मैंने कॉस्ट प्राइस के बजाय सेलिंग प्राइस को बेस ले लिया. And my profit percentage by mistake is coming 33.33%. Tell me what is the correct profit percentage if I take cost price as a base, जो कि actually required है. Try, I will tell you, don't worry. आप 1 मिनट 1.5 मिनट you try. देखता हूँ किस किस से क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो पा रहा है. No. Let me tell you. And I tell you one method which is wonderful, will take only 5 to 10 seconds. I will go slow. पता चला कि थोड़ा फास्ट चला गया method. I told you profit percentage is selling price minus cost price upon cost price. And today I told you we can write as profit percentage is P upon CP also, क्योंकि selling price में से cost price हटा देते हैं वो profit ही होता है. But that student, a boy by mistake, उसने क्या किया, उसने यहाँ पे selling price base लिया, selling price minus cost price upon selling price. मतलब what he has done actually P upon SP. बाकी सब ठीक था, but instead of cost price as a base, he has taken selling price as a base. Okay, now see. What that boy has done, he has taken profit percentage as P upon SP by mistake. Instead of cost price, he has taken selling price as a base. And he got profit percentage is 33.33%. Tell me what is the fraction value of 33.33%? 1 by 3. So P upon SP is equal to 1 by 3. It means if profit is 1 rupee, selling price is 3 rupees. You can use this as value. इनको value की तरह भी use किया जा सकता है. If profit is 1 rupee, selling price is 3 rupees, or if selling price is 3 rupees, profit is 1. Is this step clear? Step number 1. Here that boy by mistake taken selling price as a base, he has done P upon SP, he got value 33.33%, which is 1 by 3. What he is supposed to do, उसको करना क्या था? He is supposed to do P upon CP. You know P, you know SP, you have to find C. P तो पता ही है ना, P is 1. हमें CP निकालना. I ask you a question, logical. I tell you method also, but logic है. I sold this marker in 3 rupees. And out of that 1 rupees is my profit. मैंने ये मार्कर 3 रुपए का बेचा और 1 रुपया प्रॉफिट बनाया. Tell me what is my investment? 2 or 4? 2. मैंने मार्कर 2 रुपए का खरीदा होगा, 1 रुपया प्रॉफिट बनाया होगा, 3 रुपए का बेचा होगा. तो if selling price is 3, profit is 1, cost price is 2. या देखो, what is profit? Selling price minus cost price. कॉस्ट प्राइस को इधर ले आओ, प्रॉफिट को इधर ले आओ. व्हाट इज कॉस्ट प्राइस? एसपी माइनस पी. सेलिंग प्राइस में से अपना प्रॉफिट हटा लो, वो इन्वेस्टमेंट होती है. मैंने 120 रुपए का बेचा है, जिसमें से 20 रुपए मेरा प्रॉफिट है, तो रिमेनिंग इज माई इन्वेस्टमेंट. ठीक है. जैसे हम अपना सीसेट का कोर्स फॉर हाइब्रिड स्टूडेंट 15,000 रुपए इज द सेलिंग प्राइस. ठीक है. इफ माई प्रॉफिट इज 3,000 रुपीज इन दैट, तो व्हाट इज आवर इन्वेस्टमेंट लाइक फॉर दैट कोर्स? जो भी पूरा खर्चा है 12,000 रुपया. तो सेलिंग प्राइस में से प्रॉफिट हटा दोगे, आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट आ जाएगी. तो व्हाट इज सेलिंग प्राइस? 3. व्हाट इज योर प्रॉफिट? 1. सो व्हाट इज योर इन्वेस्टमेंट? 2. यू पुट द वैल्यू. प्रॉफिट 1, कॉस्ट प्राइस 2. योर आंसर इज 1 by 2. व्हाट इज 1 by 2? 50%. तो एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट इज 50%. I repeat, let me take 2-3 example. Here that student by mistake calculated profit on selling price and he got value 33.33%, which is 1 by 3. So P upon SP is 1 by 3. It means if profit is 1 rupee, selling price is 3 rupees. And you have to find what is cost price. अगर ये मार्कर 3 रुपए का बेचा है, out of that 1 rupees profit, what is your investment? 2 rupees. So your answer is 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 50%. Just wait. I write question for you. A boy, you can take girl also. Why should boys do all the mistake? A girl, by mistake, calculated profit percentage taking SP as base. So what that girl has done, he has taken SP as a base and found its value to be 25%. जो उसकी वैल्यू है 25% आई है. Find actual profit percentage. So we have to find what is actual profit percentage. I will solve for you. What that girl has done, she calculated profit percentage as P upon SP. Instead of CP, she has taken SP as a base. And he got value 25%. Tell me the fraction value of 25%, 1 by 4. So she got a P upon SP 1 by 4, selling price 4 rupees, profit. Either you can calculate directly, अगर 4 रुपए में बेचा है 1 रुपया प्रॉफिट है, your investment is 3 rupees. Or if you want to remember, cost price is nothing, SP minus P. So what is selling price? 4. What is profit? 1. So what is 4 minus 1? 3. So what is the correct formula profit percentage? P upon CP. You take profit value 1. And what is CP? 3. So what is your actual profit? 1 by 3. What is 1 by 3? 33.33%. So actual profit she has made 33.33%. Try one question. A boy calculated profit percentage on selling price and found its value to be 20%. A boy calculated profit on selling price, found its value to be 20%. उसकी वैल्यू जो आई 20% आई है. Taken SP as a base. Find the actual profit percentage. Find actual profit percentage. Okay. 20% होता है 1 by 5. What is your answer? 25%. कैसे? He has taken selling price as a base, P upon SP 20%. Fraction value of 20% is 1 by 5. If selling price 5 rupees, 1 rupee profit, what is your investment? 4. So what is the correct formula of profit percentage? P upon CP 1 by 4. What is 1 by 4? 25%. So actual profit percentage is 25%. Is this clear? बड़ा easy है. P upon SP given, P upon CP ask. P पता है, SP पता है, CP निकाल. CP कुछ नहीं होता. CP is SP minus P. बस यहां से CP आ जाएगा. You get your answer. Is this clear? I take the second part of this type if it is loss percentage. Like question given in the handout. Fraction value. तो 100% से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. अगर 100% से भी ना मल्टीप्लाई कर पाओ तो क्वेश्चन छोड़ दो. What if it was loss percentage? अगर मान लो ये loss होता. Question is like a boy calculated loss taking SP as a base and found its value to be 33.33%. उसने loss क्या किया? Selling price के ऊपर calculate कर लिया. Actual formula is L upon CP. Correct formula होता है L upon CP, but by mistake I have taken L upon SP. Same thing. CP is the base, either profit or loss. CP is the base, but by mistake, if you have taken SP as a base and you got this value is 33.33%, how we will manage? Just see. What is the fraction value of 33.33%? 1 by 3. This is step number 1. L upon SP is 1 by 3. Just think logically. If I solve this marker in 3 rupees and there is a loss of 1 rupee, tell me what is the cost price? 2 or 4? 4. See here, your investment is more and return is less. तभी तो loss होता है. आपको 3 रुपए मिले, आपने लगाए 4 रुपए थे. Your investment 4 rupees and return you get 3 rupees, then there is a loss. Or what you can say cost price is selling price plus loss. जिसको रटने में मजा आता है वो यहां मजा ले ले. जिसको लॉजिक समझ में आता है दैट इज इजी. I sold this marker in 3 rupees, 1 rupee loss. It means my investment 4 rupee, loss 1, CP4. So your actual loss percentage is 1/4. What is 1/4? 25%. Or what is selling price? 3. What is loss? 1. What is 3 plus 1? Let us try 2 more questions. A student calculated loss on selling price and got 20% as value. उसने क्या किया? लॉस को सेलिंग प्राइस पे कैलकुलेट किया, वैल्यू आई 20%. फाइंड एक्चुअल लॉस परसेंटेज. फाइंड एक्चुअल लॉस परसेंटेज. Loss on selling price is 20%. Actual loss percentage means loss on cost price. You have to calculate. L upon SP. Key loss is question. What is your answer? 16.66%. कैसे? Loss percentage L upon SP given 20%. What is 20%? 1/5. What is given in the question? But actually L upon CP you have to find. निकालना था L upon CP, निकाल लिया L upon SP. But we can rectify with conceptual clarity. If I solve this marker in 5 rupees, I suffer a loss of 1 rupee. It means my investment is 6 rupees. So your correct answer is 1/6, 16.66%. Or cost price is selling price plus loss, 5 plus 1, 6. What is 1/6? 16.66%. Try one more question. A student calculated loss on selling price and got 50% as value. उसकी जो वैल्यू आई 50% आई. Find actual loss percentage. A student calculated loss on selling price and got 50% as value. Find the actual loss percentage. Online student, you can also participate. क्या आंसर आ रहा है? 33.33%. Let us check. Here L upon SP is given 50%, but we have to find L upon CP. What is 50%? 1/2. I sold this marker in 2 rupees and I suffer 1 rupee loss. My investment 3 rupees. Or you can say cost price is selling price plus loss. 2 plus 1, 3. So your actual loss is 1/3. Loss 1 rupee, cost price 3. And what is 1/3? 33.33%. Now next type. But before I take next type, I tell you one more thing. Now here we can express cost price, selling price in rupees. Similarly, we can express cost price, selling price in percentage also. But since cost price is the base, if you have to express cost price, selling price in percentage, we always take cost price 100%. Profit we add, loss we subtract. Like I take cost price 100%. If there is a profit 10%, what will be selling price? 110%. अगर परसेंटेज में लेना, हमेशा कॉस्ट प्राइस को 100% लेते हैं क्योंकि कॉस्ट प्राइस इज द बेस वैल्यू. Like if there is a profit 20% and I take cost price 100%, so what is the selling price here? 120%. Tell me, if profit 30%, तो व्हाट अबाउट सेलिंग प्राइस? 130%। 100% में प्रॉफिट ऐड कर दो, सेलिंग प्राइस परसेंटेज में आ जाएगा, लॉस वी डिडक्ट। लाइक हियर आई टेक कॉस्ट प्राइस 100%, if loss 10%, what will be selling price? 90%. Cost price 100%, if loss 30%, tell me selling price in percentage? 70%. Okay, because in next type I will use this, next to next type also I will use this. Question number 14, I take this example and I take 2-3 similar example. I sold a radio at 10% loss. मैंने एक रेडियो 10% लॉस पे बेची. Had I got rupees 300 more for the radio, तो उसके बाद उंगली लगाने वाले इंसान आ जाते हैं, अरे सस्ता बेच दिया, मैं 300 रुपए ज्यादा दे देता. होता है ना sometimes. Like here you sell something, ठीक है, on OLX. अभी तो OLX में fraud ही चल रहा है. And then your friend will say, यार सस्ता बेच दिया, I would have taken in 300 rupees more. Then you do calculation in your mind. If I would have got 300 rupees extra rather than loss, I would have made a profit of 20%. Shit. ये ऐसे दोस्त पहले क्यों नहीं मिले टाइप, ठीक है. I sold a radio at 10% loss. स्टोरी समझ में आ रही है ना कि मैंने एक रेडियो 10% लॉस पे बेचा. Then someone come up with some extra offer. He told me that he can give me 300 rupees extra. So then I calculated कि if I would have got 300 rupees extra for that radio, I would have made a profit of 20%. So we have to calculate what is the cost price of the radio for me. I give you two methods. One is percentage based, other is X based. Percentage is better. Like here, we take cost price 100%. And I sold radio at 10% loss. So what about selling price in this situation? 90%. This is the actual situation where I sold the radio at 10% loss. Someone offered me 300 rupees extra. Then I would have made a profit of 20%. 300 rupees we handle later. See here, if cost price 100%, if I make a profit of 20%, then what about selling price in percent? So selling price क्या होता? 120%. If there is a profit of 20%, selling price would have been 120%. जब मैंने 10% लॉस पे बेचा तो सेलिंग प्राइस 90% है. अगर मैंने 20% प्रॉफिट पे बेचा होता, if I would have sold at 20% profit, selling price would have been 120%. Fine. See here, like for example here selling price is X, जिसमें मैंने बेचा. What is the selling price here? 300 rupees extra. X plus 300. There is a difference of 300 rupees only. In the selling price, there is a 300 rupees extra only. There is no other factor in the question. So can I say here selling price 90%, here selling price 120%. Why this 90% would have become 120%? Because of 300 rupees. 300 रुपए की वजह से होता. What is the difference in 90 and 120%? 30%. So can we say this 30% is because of 300 rupees? You equate. जो selling price में 30% का change है, 90 और 120 का जो difference है, that is only because of that extra amount 300 rupees. I repeat, when I sold radio at 10% loss, selling price 90%. If I would have made a profit of 20%, selling price would have been 120%. तो 30% 300 rupees equate. ये 30% का difference है, वो 300 रुपए की वजह से ही है. There is no other factor in the question. What is cost price? 100%. Use unitary method. 1% 300 upon 30, 10. What about 100%? 10 into 100, 1000. If you clear, okay. Otherwise, just wait. I tell you the story. Then I take one more example. अगर जिसको नहीं समझ में आया, अब ये story समझो. एक्चुअली द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ द रेडियो फॉर मी इज 1000. मैंने एक रेडियो 1000 रुपए का खरीदा था. आई सोल्ड रेडियो एट 10% लॉस. मैंने 100 रुपीज लॉस में बेचा. आई सोल्ड रेडियो एट 900 एक्चुअली. ये स्टोरी है. बट समवन गिवन मी 300 रुपीज एक्स्ट्रा ऑफर. मीन्स हैज ऑफर्ड मी 1200 रुपीज फॉर द रेडियो. यार 1200 का तो मैं ही ले लेता. So now here, if you see this is 1000, you would have made a profit of 200. What is 200 of 1000? 20%. But how we have calculated? Earlier selling price 90%, new selling price 120%. There is a difference of 30%, and there is a gap of 300 rupees in the selling price. तो selling price में दो तरह का difference है. In term of percentage 30%, in term of rupees 300. You equate and you can find what is 100%, which is cost price. If you are clear, okay. Otherwise, I take one more question. लिख लो, लिख लो. I sold a car at 10% loss. Had I got 80,000 rupees more for that car, I would have made a profit of 10%. Find the cost price of the car for me. मैंने कार 10% लॉस में बेची. अगर आप मुझे 80,000 रुपए एक्स्ट्रा पे करोगे तो rather than loss there will be 10% profit. So what is the cost price of the car for me? Step number 1, I take cost price of the car 100%. Always we take cost price 100%. First situation there is a loss of 10%. So it means first situation selling price 90%. पहले केस में selling price बना 90%. Next time, what is important here? I would have made a profit of 10%. So new selling price become 110%. So what is the difference in the selling price? 20% from 90 to 110. What is the factor in this question? किस वजह से selling price बदल रहा है? 80,000 रुपए एक्स्ट्रा की वजह से. So this changes because of 80,000 rupees extra has been offered. Equate. So you equate 20% with 80,000. So 10% here, 40,000. What is the cost price of the car for me? 100%. Vertically multiply with 10, multiply with 10, 4 lakh rupees. वो कार की जो मेरे लिए cost price है वो 4 लाख रुपए. See, this is important. There is a difference of 20% in the selling price as far as percentage is concerned, and there is a difference of 80,000 in term of rupees. Equate. So 10% 40,000. So what is the cost price of the car for me? 4 lakh. भाई 20% अगर 80,000 है तो 100% निकालना है. यूनिटरी मेथड यूज कर लो. अगर ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा सीधा सीधा भी आ जाता है. कैसे? 100%. 20 और 100 में क्या रिलेशन है? मल्टीप्लाई विथ 5. यहाँ पे भी 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. 80,000 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे क्या आएगा? 4 लाख. सो व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ द कार फॉर मी? 4 लाख रुपीज. ट्राई क्वेश्चन ट्राई करो. I sold a mobile at 20% loss. I sold a mobile at 20% loss. Had I got rupees 6,000 more, had I got rupees 6,000 more, I sold a mobile at 20% loss. Had I got rupees 6,000 more, I would have made a profit of 10%. Find the cost price of the mobile for me. क्या आंसर आ रहा है 20,000. See here, cost price we take 100%. Earlier there is a loss 20%, so selling price 80%. But next time we make a profit 10%, so new selling price become 110%. So there is a difference of 30%, and there is a difference of 6,000 rupees. So 30% is equal to 6,000. What is the cost price? 100%. You can calculate. या तो 1% निकाल लो या पहले 10% निकाल लो फिर 100%. What about 10%? Divide by 3. Divide by 3, 2,000. What about 100%? Multiply with 10, 20,000. If you are not comfortable with this, use unitary method. 1% निकाल के निकाल. One more question. I sold a laptop at 20% loss. Had I got rupees 4,000 more, for that laptop, I would have made a loss of 10%. Find the cost price of the laptop for me. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी लॉस टू प्रॉफिट. दोनों केस में लॉस भी हो सकता है, दोनों केस में प्रॉफिट भी हो सकता है, एक लॉस एक प्रॉफिट भी हो सकता है. ओनली द थिंग यू हैव टू फाइंड चेंज इन द सेलिंग प्राइस. एंड इफ यू आर रियली गुड विद द कंसेप्ट, यू कैन बी फास्ट. इतना टाइम लगता नहीं है इस क्वेश्चन में. कैसे? फर्स्ट केस देयर इज अ 20% लॉस, यू डायरेक्टली राइट सेलिंग प्राइस 80%. पूरा लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है इफ यू आर क्लियर. सेकंड केस देयर इज अ लॉस 10%, तो सेलिंग प्राइस 90%. So what is the difference? 10%. That is because of 4,000 rupees. 10% 4,000. So 100% 40,000. But category 1 student, if you are not comfortable, तो फिर आप पूरा लिखेंगे, but उसमें time consuming होगा. Cost price 100%. There is a loss 20%. So earlier case selling price 80%. Next time there is a loss 10%. So your selling price is 90%. But otherwise, directly you can calculate it. So there is a difference of 10% in selling price we have, and there is a difference of 4,000 rupees we have. 10% is equal to 4,000, 100% is equal to 40,000. Okay. Next type. Next type is chain rule. I tell you where this chain rule work. In that chain, there can be 2 persons, there can be 3, there can be 4. Like for example, I'm the wholesaler, she is the retailer. Okay, I make profit of 25% on this marker, I sold to the retailer. And retailer make a profit of 25% sold to the customer, end user. Customer जो होता है वो end user होता है. In this chain, there can be 3 persons. I'm distributor, wholesaler, retailer. I make a profit of 25%, she make a profit of 20%, and she make a profit of 10%. There can be 4 persons, manufacturer, distributor, wholesaler, retail. Okay. And like what we will do, I tell you shortcut in this chain rule. It is not necessary all of us make same profit. It can be different. I make 10% profit, she make 20% profit, she make 30% profit. It can be loss. I suffer a loss of 10%, 20% loss, 30% loss. It can be mix also. I suffer a loss. Manufacturer ने तो loss उठाया 10% का, wholesaler ने profit उठाया 20% का, retailer ने loss उठाया. So we can have a mix up also. Like here we have question in our handout. Question number 15. Question number 15 here is a watch passes through 3 hands and each gain 25%. A watch passes through 3 hands. I make profit 25%. She make profit 25%. She make profit 25%. Generally in question, it has to be given my cost price. I add my profit, then I add profit. Profit I can find the in what amount the third one has sold. But ये question उल्टा है. ये question क्या है? If the third sell it for rupees 250, what did the first pay for it? ठीक है? Before we handle this question number 15, before we learn this chain rule, I ask one easy question. ठीक है? पहले एक easy question आपसे पूछता हूं. Now try. Selling price of this marker is 100 rupees. Profit 20%. Tell me what is the cost price of this marker? 80. 80. 80. हाँ जी ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट. Selling price of this marker 100, profit 20%. Tell me what is the cost price? मतलब सब विचार करके आए हो. मतलब फिर तो आप वही गलती कर रहे हो जो स्कूल स्टूडेंट कर रहा था. You calculated 20% of 100. तो you calculated profit on selling price. तो आप में और स्कूल स्टूडेंट में क्या डिफरेंस हुआ? तो you have done same mistake. मतलब you calculated profit on selling price. But profit calculate किसके ऊपर होता है? Cost price के ऊपर. ठीक है? Yes, correct answer will come 83.33. I tell you 2-3 method. When cost price given, profit loss given, selling price asked, that is easy. वो चीजें easy है क्योंकि आपको बेस वैल्यू दी है. It is reverse question. ये क्वेश्चन ये उल्टा है. Selling price is given, profit is given, cost price is asked, and whereas profit is based on cost price, which is not given. Profit उसके ऊपर बेस है जो दिया ही नहीं हुआ. I tell you 2-3 method. Method number 1 here is your simple equation method. Let's assume cost price is X. What is our formula? Cost price plus profit is equal to selling price. तो X plus 20% of X. ये जो 20% है ये X के ऊपर है, 100 के ऊपर नहीं. 100 तो सेलिंग प्राइस है. Then equal to selling price. X, what is 20%? 1 by 5X is equal to 100. X plus 1 by 5X होता है 5 by 6X. जैसे ये 5X plus 1X 100. So you get 6X upon 5 is equal to 100. You solve for X. X will come 100 into 5 by 6. 500 by 6. 250 by 3. It will come 83.33. It will not come 80. It will come decimal value 83.33. So what is the cost price of this marker? 83.33. But it is a lengthy method. Method 2. Percentage method. Percentage method is we take cost price 100%. Profit percentage we add. We get selling price 120%. Percentage में selling price है 120%. But in rupees, selling price is 100 rupees. So accordingly, we have to find what is 100%. We use unitary method. If 120% is equal to 100 rupees, we have to find what is 100%. So 1% is 100 upon 120. What about 100%? 100 upon 120 into 100. This is 25 za, 26 za, 500 by 6. This is 240 by 3. It is 83.3. Okay. Third method I will tell you, but let me tell you the chain rule first. Okay, I will tell you, which is very easy, which will take very less time. So just remember the concept. If cost price given, profit loss percent is given, selling price asked, that is easy. But अगर वो उल्टा पूछेगा, if selling price given, profit and loss percent is given, cost price asked, it is not that easy. But with the help of chain rule, we try to make it easy. Now, in a chain, we have 3%. Like I make profit X%, she make profit Y%, and third one make profit Z%. Okay, what is our shortcut in chain rule? We start with CP1. Like in what amount I have purchased. And what we do, we always add profit in 100% and multiply with cost price. For the second also, 100% plus Y%. For the third profit also, 100% plus Z%. Then it equal to SP3. I repeat, what we do in chain rule, we start with CP1. You add profit of first in 100%, multiply with cost price. Add profit of second in 100%, multiply. Profit of third, multiply. You get SP3 directly. Like this question. Let me solve this question given in the handout. A watch passes through 3 hands, each gain 25%. Okay, if the third sell it for rupees 250, what did the first pay for it? So SP3 is given. I make profit 25%. Second person also make a profit 25%. Third one also make a profit of 25%. So what is our shortcut here? CP1 100% plus 25%. 100% plus 25%. 100% plus 25% will equal to SP3 250. You can use this when CP1 given, SP3 ask, SP3 given, CP1 ask. Just wait. CP1 100 plus 25, 125%. 125%. 125% is equal to 250. Tell me the fraction value of 125%. If any percentage value, you don't know the fraction. So 125% is 125 upon 100. 25 5s are 25 4s. 5 by 4. हाँ एक मिनट. 125% is 5 by 4. CP1 125% क्योंकि मैंने प्रॉफिट बनाया 25% इंटू 125% बिकॉज सेकेंड वन मेक ए प्रॉफिट ऑफ 25% इंटू 125% बिकॉज द थर्ड वन ऑल्सो मेक ए प्रॉफिट 25%. आई टेल यू सिंपल रूल, हम प्रॉफिट 100% में ऐड करके कॉस्ट प्राइस से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. मेरा प्रॉफिट अगर 25 है 100 प्लस 25, सेकेंड का प्रॉफिट 25 है तो 100% प्लस 25%, थर्ड वन का प्रॉफिट 25 है तो 100% प्लस 25%. Now here CP1 into 5 by 4 into 5 by 4 into 5 by 4 is 250. Cross multiply or it is CP1. 5 cube is 125, 4 cube is 64, it is 250. We make it reverse. CP1 is 250 into 64 upon 125. 125 to 250, 2 into 64, 128 rupees. So how much first paid for that? 128. Let me take in detail so that you will be comfortable. Okay, just wait. See here, CP1 जब आप कॉस्ट प्राइस को 100% से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं कॉस्ट प्राइस ही बनता है. और जब इसमें प्रॉफिट ऐड करते हैं तो ये सेलिंग प्राइस बन जाता है एक्चुअली, ठीक है। 100% प्लस X%, 100% प्लस Y%, 100% प्लस Z%, SP3। लेट मी टेक 4-5 सिचुएशन। अगर हम एक बार इक्वेशन बनाना सीख गए देन इट विल बी इजी। I make profit 10%, second one make profit 20%, third one make profit 30%. Just make equation, बाकी तो वैल्यू पुट करनी है, आंसर आ जाएगा। CP1 100 plus 10, 110%. Profit we add 100 plus 20, 120%, 100 plus 30, 130% will equal to SP3. Profit we add in 100% multiply with cost price. This rule is applicable in chain rule. For example, there are 4%. I make profit 10, 20, 30. Fourth one make profit 40%. मान लो अगर चौथा इंसान आ गया जिसने 40% प्रॉफिट बनाया, तो what will do? You add 40%, 100 plus 40 become 140%, but then in that case it will equal to SP4. फिर ये SP4 बन जाएगा, क्योंकि 4 लोग हो गए। If there is a fifth one, मान लो 5वां इंसान आ गया जिसने 50% प्रॉफिट बनाया, so what you do after this? You just add profit of the fifth in 100%. What is 100 plus 50? 150%. तो इसको 150% से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, then it will be equal to SP5. Rule is when it is profit we add, when it is loss we subtract. Loss अगर होगा तो 100 minus X, 100 minus Y, 100 minus Z. Like for example, first one, manufacturer suffer a loss of 10%. Wholesaler suffer a loss of 20%. Retailer suffer a loss of 30%. So what is our equation in the chain rule? CP1 into 100 minus 10. Tell me what is 100 minus 10? 90%. 100 minus 20. What is 100 minus 20? 80%. What is 100 minus 30? 70% will equal to SP3. And in this type of question, generally this SP3 given, CP1 asked, after that just do calculation, you get your answer. Chain rule में क्या करना है? CP1, profit you add in 100%, loss you subtract, multiply, equate with the selling price, जो last का selling price है. Like, if I suffer a loss of 10%, second one make a profit of 20%, third one suffer a loss of 30%. Okay, what will be our equation? CP1 into 90 into what is 100 plus 20? Loss घटाना है, profit add करना है. 120. What is 100 minus 30? 70 will equal to SP3. Let me ask you a question. Try. This marker passes through two hands. Chain rule में 2 लोग हैं. This marker passes through two hands. First one suffer a loss of 10%. Second one make a profit of 20%. पहले ने 10% का लॉस उठाया, दूसरे ने 20% का प्रॉफिट बनाया. ठीक है. If the second sell it for rupees 108, अगर दूसरे इंसान ने मारकर 108 रुपए का बेचा है, what did the first pay for it? मतलब पहले इंसान ने कितने रुपए का खरीदा? CP1 निकालना. I repeat, a marker passes through two hands. A marker passes through two hands. First, suffer a loss of 10%. Second, make a profit of 20%. If the second sell it in rupees 108, अगर दूसरे इंसान ने वो 108 रुपए का बेचा है तो पहले इंसान ने कितने रुपए का खरीदा होगा? How we will handle? CP1 100 minus 10 90%, 100 plus 20 120% is equal to 108. तो CP1 90% is 9 by 10, 120% is 6 by 5. अगर नहीं पता 120 upon 100 ले लेना. 120% is 120 upon 100 which is 6 by 5. ठीक है, जो जो सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं या उसको उधर ही ले जाते हैं. तो CP1 will be 108, 10 into 5 50 upon 54. What is 54 to the 108? What is 2 into 50? 100 rupees. Let me ask you one more question. ठीक है, this marker passes through 3 hands. First one, make a profit of 20%. Second one, make a profit of 25%. Third one, suffer a loss of 10%. पहले ने 20% का प्रॉफिट बनाया, दूसरे इंसान ने 25% का प्रॉफिट बनाया, तीसरे इंसान ने 10% का लॉस उठाया. SP3 और इट मींस थर्ड सेल इट इन रुपीज 135. तीसरे इंसान ने 135 रुपए का बेचा है. Find what is CP1. Find in what amount the first one has purchased it. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट जो आपके डाउट है पहले ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लो, फिर मैं बताऊंगा. हाउ मच फर्स्ट पेड फॉर दिस? यस प्रमोद, दिस इज वेरी गुड. SP1 is equal to CP2. Okay, so here CP1 first में profit 20, तो 100 plus 20 120%. Second one make a profit of 25 125%. Third one suffer a loss 10. So what I have to take, 110 or 90? 90. It is equal to 135. Okay, so now here CP1, what is 120%? 6 by 5 or 120 upon 100. What is 125%? 5 by 4. It is 9 by 10. ये तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा एक तो. ठीक है, ये आएगा 3, ये आएगा 2 इक्वल टू 135. तो CP1 3 into 9 27 upon 20 इक्वल टू 135. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दो तो your answer is CP1 is equal to 135 into 20 upon 27. 27 5s are 135, 5 into 20 100 rupees. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट आस्क, अगर 10 लोग बीच में है तो दैट इज योर प्रॉब्लम, you have to do that calculation in your exam or you have to take a decision to skip that question. कोई और तरीका नहीं है, ये सबसे शॉर्टकट है, इससे बेटर शॉर्टकट है ही नहीं चेन रूल के लिए। चेन रूल के लिए दिस इज द बेस्ट मेथड विच टेक वेरी लेस टाइम। हाँ, वन स्टूडेंट आस्क, इफ दे आस्क हाउ मच द सेकंड पे फॉर इट, थर्ड पे फॉर इट, मैं कह रहा हूं आपने तो चेन और छोटी कर दी, मेरे लिए तो और मजे हो गए। See what is important, try to understand. I'm first one, she is the second in the chain and she is the third in the chain. ठीक है, I make profit 20%, she make profit 25% and she suffer a loss of 10%. It is given the third one has sold this marker in 135. SP3 is given 135. It is asked how much the second pay for it. मैं तो पहला निकाल रहा था, आप कह रहे हो second pay for it. अब मेरी क्या जरूरत है, हटा दो इसमें से, चेन में से। अब तो दो ही लोग रह गए ना चेन में। इन्होंने 135 रुपए का बेचा तो इन्होंने कितने रुपए का खरीदा होगा, सेकेंड वन। तो देर इज नो नीड ऑफ फर्स्ट पर्सन इन द चेन, चेन और छोटी हो गई। दैट इज वेरी सिंपल। तो इसमें क्या हो जाएगा, CP2, she make profit of 25%, 100% plus 25%, 125%, and she suffer a loss of 10%, 100 minus 10, 90%. पहला इंसान हट जाएगा ना चेन में से, CP1 की बजाय CP2 से your chain will start. Your chain now start from CP2, her profit, her loss is equal to SP3, which is given 135. So here CP2, this is 125% is 5 by 4, this is 9 by 10, so it is 45, ये कट जाएगा 2, so it is 9 by 8. CP2 into 9 by 8 is equal to 135. What is CP2? 135 into 8 by 9, 9, 15 nines are 135, 120. She has purchased that in 120 rupees. उन्होंने 150 रुपए का बेचा था, इन्होंने 15 रुपए लॉस उठाया, 135 रुपए का बेच दिया। डिफिकल्टी तो जब है जब इट इज आस्क्ड हाउ मच द फर्स्ट पे फॉर इट, बिकॉज वी हैव ए कंप्लीट चेन। इफ यू आस्क मी हाउ मच द सेकंड पे फॉर दिस, पहला इंसान चेन से निकल जाएगा, देयर इज ओनली 2 पर्सन इन द चेन। तो आप चेन और छोटी कर रहे हो, इट इज मच इजियर टू हैंडल अगर आप चेन छोटी कर देंगे। ओके, नाउ I tell you method 3 for a question where selling price is given, cost price is asked. I come to this question again, जिसमें आपने सबने 80 आंसर दिया था। ये कैमरा गवाह है, ठीक है, पूरी रिकॉर्डिंग होती है इसमें। सबने 80 आंसर दिया था, 80 you have given answer in that question. Selling price of this marker is 100 rupees, profit 20%, cost price is asked. Like I sold this marker at a profit of 20%, I sold in 100, in how much I purchased. उस चेन में एक ही इंसान है, तो here it will be CP1 into 100% plus 20% is equal to SP1. चेन रूल इज एप्लीकेबल फॉर वन पर्सन ऑल्सो। अगर वहां एक ही इंसान ट्रांजेक्शन कर रहा है, he purchased, he sold, then also it is applicable. What you have to do, rule is profit we always add in 100%, loss we subtract, multiply with cost price, give selling price. अब ये देखो, यही क्वेश्चन करूंगा। You have to find cost price, 100 plus 20, 120% is equal to selling price. Selling price is given 100 rupees. I sold this marker in 100 rupees. I make a profit 20%. What is 120%? 6 by 5. So cost price into 6 by 5 is 100. Cross multiply. Cost price is 100 into 5 by 6. 500 by 6. What is 500 by 6? 83.33. So chain rule is applicable for one person also. You try one question. Just try. Try to use this rule. यही रूल यूज करने की कोशिश करना। सेलिंग प्राइस of this remote is 250 rupees. ये रिमोट 250 रुपए में बिक रहा है, प्रॉफिट 25%, फाइंड द कॉस्ट प्राइस, फाइंड द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ दिस रिमोट. पीसीजी इन दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन विल क्रिएट प्रॉब्लम, क्योंकि पीसीजी में हम हमेशा 100 से स्टार्ट करते हैं, यहाँ पे वैल्यू ही अलग आ रही है, तो इसलिए प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है पीसीजी में. ठीक है, व्हाट इज योर आंसर? 200. करना क्या है? कॉस्ट प्राइस, प्रॉफिट इज 25, तो 100 प्लस 25, 125%, 250. व्हाट इज 125%? 5/4. तो व्हाट इज कॉस्ट प्राइस? 250 into 4/5, so it gives you 50. What is 50 into 4? 200. So what is important in chain rule? We start with CP1, 100% plus profit, 100% minus loss, keep on multiplying. That will equal to SP3 if there are 3%, SP4 if there are 4%, SP5 if there are 5%. Profit we add, loss we subtract. That is okay. Any doubt? Now next, one more type, question number 16. You have to read question carefully. Question here is, a shopkeeper sells 2 items at the same price. If he sell one item at a profit of 10%, other at a loss of 10%, find the percentage profit and loss. मतलब ए शॉपकीपर सेल्स 2 आइटम एट द सेम प्राइस. ए शॉपकीपर ने 2 आइटम सेम प्राइस पे बेचे. इट इज नॉट द कॉस्ट प्राइस इज सेम, सेलिंग प्राइस इज सेम. ऑन वन देयर इज अ प्रॉफिट 10%, ऑन अनदर देयर इज अ लॉस 10%. एक पे 10% प्रॉफिट है, एक पे 10% लॉस है, तो हमें ओवरऑल प्रॉफिट और लॉस परसेंटेज निकालना. And some student they think 10% profit 10% loss compensate, no profit no loss. No, वो जब होता है जब cost price same होता है. Here selling price of 2 article is same. A shopkeeper sells 2 item at the same price. So this type SP1 is equal to SP2. Okay, what is this type? पहले type समझ लो. Like I'm selling these 2 article at same price. तो रवि तेजा, व्हाट इज योर डाउट? अगर SP2 दिया तो क्या पूछना चाह रहे हो आप इसमें? इफ SP2 इज गिवन, व्हाट इज आस्क? SP2 दिया है और निकालना क्या है? Now here, let me take this type. After that you ask me, Ravi, your doubt. I sold these 2 article at same price, this bell and this marker. It is a special case. What is special case? On one we make profit, on another loss, and exactly same percentage. Like here 10% profit, 10% loss. Or maybe next time I sell this marker at 20% profit, I sell this bell at 20% loss. 30% profit, 30% loss. 40% profit, 40% loss. What is our type? Selling price of 2 articles same. On one article there is X% profit. On other article there is exactly X% loss. Don't think there will be no profit, no loss. In this type of question, there is always loss. And what is our answer? Minus X square upon 100%. इस तरह की सिचुएशन में हमेशा लॉस होता है, और कितना होता है? X square upon 100%. Like, let us do 2-3 questions. I sold 2 article at same price. I sell one article at 10% profit, other article at 10% loss. We have to find what is overall profit and loss percentage. minus 10 square upon 100%. Your answer is minus 100 upon 100%. It is minus 1%. So overall there is 1% loss. But you have to understand the type. Selling price is same, not cost price. जब दो article का selling price same है, on one there is X% profit, on another article there is X% loss. Next question. I sell two articles at same price. On one article I make profit 20%. On other article I suffer a loss of 20%. What is my overall profit and loss percentage? Minus 20 square upon 100%, minus 400 upon 100%, minus 4%. So in that case there will be 4% loss. One more question. इस टाइप में रुको अभी. I sell two articles at same price. On one 30% profit, on another 30% loss. Find what is overall loss percentage. Minus 30 square upon 100%. It is minus 900 upon 100, minus 9%, 9% loss. Next question. I sell two articles at same price. One I sell at 40% profit, other at 40% loss. Find what is overall profit and loss percentage. Minus 16% means 16% loss. Okay? Any doubt in this? There is one doubt कि like it is always profit or loss same. I can take in detail. And एक पूछ रहा है माइनस क्यों आ रहा है? For that I have to tell you the derivation. इसके लिए आपको assumption method use कर सकते हो. That will take 4 to 5 minutes. But let me tell you the detail. उससे clear हो जाएगा. See here. Selling price of two articles same. It can be profit on both. ऐसा भी हो सकता है दोनों के ऊपर प्रॉफिट हो. X% profit on first article, Y% profit on second article. It can be loss on both. X% loss, Y% loss. Or it can be like both value differ. But there is a special case. इसमें एक special case है where exactly X% profit, X% loss, which I have discussed. मैंने पूरी टाइप नहीं डिस्कस की. पूरी टाइप में तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. On both article there will be profit. On both article there can be loss. There can be any percentage profit, any percentage loss. But there is a special case where selling price of two articles same. On one article exact X% profit. On second article X% loss. It has to be same percentage. Then it is one second answer. Minus X square upon 100%. Why this special case is important? If I will ask 100 question on this type, 98 question will have this value. You can check any exam. It is fixed. 98% question have this. कि 10% profit, 10% loss, 20% profit, 20% loss, 30% profit, 30% loss. If any other question ask, okay, like here, you can write one question. A shopkeeper sells two items at the same price. A shopkeeper sells two items at the same price. If we sell one item at a profit of 20%, and the other at a profit of 20%, and other at a loss of 10%. Find his actual profit and loss percentage. Now, यू हैव 3 ऑप्शन, ठीक है। अगर कोई और क्वेश्चन पूछा इस टाइप में अदर देन स्पेशल केस, इस स्पेशल केस क्लियर, स्पेशल केस समझ में आ गया ना, 10% प्रॉफिट 10% लॉस, 20% प्रॉफिट 20% लॉस, 30% प्रॉफिट 30% लॉस। बट इफ एनी अदर क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड, यू हैव 3 ऑप्शन। ऑप्शन नंबर 1 इज फॉर्मूला 100 ब्रैकेट स्टार्ट x प्लस वाई प्लस 2xy 200 plus x plus y percent. Value of x and y depend on the question. If both are profit, you take x positive, y positive. If both are loss, x negative, y negative. If one profit, one loss, one positive, other negative. Now we try this. 20% profit and 10% loss. So 100, 20 minus 10. Profit you take positive, loss you take negative. Plus 2, 20 minus 10 upon 200 plus 20 minus 10%. So it will be 100 into 10. 20 to 20, 40. 40 into 10, 400 plus minus minus. Upon 220 minus 10, 210%. So it will be 1000 minus 400 upon 210%. It will be 600 upon 210. 10 cancel. Divide by 3. 20 by 7%. It will come 2.85. 2.85 approximately. Positive value profit. So overall there will be a profit. How much profit? 2.85%. ठीक है। मेथड 1 इज फॉर्मूला, मेथड 2 assumption मेथड। बट assumption मेथड में प्रॉब्लम क्या आएगी? इफ कॉस्ट प्राइस इज सेम, इट इज इजी, सेलिंग प्राइस इज सेम, सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ 2 आर्टिकल इज सेम, SP1 is equal to SP2. Tell me what you want to assume as a selling price. 100. अब 100 में क्या होगा ना, 100 और 100 तो मान लो, यहां पे प्रॉफिट 20% है। What will be cost price? वही आप 80 बोलोगे और ये आएगा 83.33। और जब यहां पे लॉस 10% है, टेल मी सेलिंग प्राइस। 111.11 समथिंग ऐसा आएगा डेसिमल। Okay, if you are comfortable with this calculation, you can do. Then what you have to do? Overall selling price 200 रुपए, overall cost price. So your formula will be overall selling price minus overall cost price upon cost price. Assumption method. ठीक है, use logic होगा ये। लॉजिक मतलब आप एज्यूम करके चलो, सेलिंग प्राइस 100 ले लिया, 100 ले लिया, बट हियर योर कैलकुलेशन हैज टू बी गुड। Fine. Is this okay? Your calculation will take time for sure, क्योंकि this question is of miscellaneous type. Question उतना easy नहीं है. Why? Because cost price नहीं दिया, selling price दिया. And in selling price, then also there is a condition. On one there is a profit, on another there is a loss. You have to assume selling price. Then you get cost price, then you have to find overall selling price minus overall cost price upon overall cost price. Then you have to calculate this. Method 3, you can skip the question. Why? 98% chances they are special case, which I think all of you have to handle. वो तो आप सबको हैंडल करना पड़ेगा। व्हाट इज स्पेशल केस? सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ 2 आर्टिकल इज सेम, ऑन वन देयर इज X% प्रॉफिट, ऑन अनदर देयर इज एग्जैक्टली X% लॉस। यू कांट स्किप दैट क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि बाकी सबका ठीक होगा। वो 10% प्रॉफिट 10% लॉस, ओवरऑल देयर विल बी लॉस माइनस X² अपॉन 100%। 20% profit, 20% loss. Overall, there will be a loss of minus x square upon 100%. 30% profit, 30% loss. Overall, minus x square upon 100%. 40% profit, 40% loss, minus x square upon 100%. But if they ask any other question, selling price of two articles same, there is a profit on both article. Selling price of two articles same, there is a loss on both article, or profit and loss percentage are different value. You have third option with you. You have second option with you. You have first option with you. I don't have easier than this. मेरे पास उससे easy कोई और option है नहीं. Okay. Now here, I take one more type quickly. Markup price and discount concept. Concept of markup price and discount. मार्कअप प्राइस इज सेम एज एमआरपी. इसको एमआरपी भी बोल देते हैं, मैक्सिमम रिटेल प्राइस. एमआरपी, एमआरपी यू नो, किसी भी चीज के ऊपर एमआरपी लिखा होता है, दैट इज मैक्सिमम रिटेल प्राइस, एमआरपी. एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो ए मार्कअप प्राइस. वही मार्कअप प्राइस है जो उसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ है, मार्कअप प्राइस. मार्क अप, जो मार्क है उस पर लिखा हुआ है, मार्कअप प्राइस. रूल नंबर 1 is profit and loss are always calculated on cost price. Rule number 2, discount is always calculated on markup price. Never calculate discount on selling price. कभी भी discount selling price पे नहीं दिया जाता. Discount हमेशा जो MRP या markup price है, जो उस पे mark है, it is always given on that. आप कोई शर्ट लेने जा रहे हो, the price mark on that shirt is 1000, a 20% discount is given, always 20% discount is given on 1000. 200 रुपए घटा के they will say pay 100, 800 rupees. Okay. Now here, let me tell you one concept. I have seen some students, they get confused between markup price or MRP या markup price and sale price. कुछ स्टूडेंट मार्कअप प्राइस और सेल प्राइस में कंफ्यूज होते हैं. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी मार्कअप प्राइस सेल प्राइस हैज टू बी सेम. इट कैन बी सेम, इट कैन बी डिफरेंट. आई टेल यू 3 कंडीशन. आई टेल यू द कंडीशन वेयर मार्कअप प्राइस एंड सेल प्राइस इज सेम. लाइक यू गो टू मार्केट, राजेंद्र नगर वाले बार्गेनिंग नहीं करते. बिस्लेरी बॉटल प्राइस मार्क इज 20 and they sell it in 20. MRP is 20 and they sell in 20. When the article is sold on markup price or exactly same price, then markup price and selling price is same. Sometimes selling price is less than markup price. कभी कभी selling price markup price से कम भी होता है. Now you will have Dasara sale, Diwali sale. You can go to Karolbagh market. You find there is a shirt. Markup price on that shirt is 1000, but a discount is also given. 10% discount is given. What is 10% of 1000? 100 rupees. So markup price is 1000. Selling price become 900. What is selling price? How much customer is paying for that article? That is selling price. Markup price, what is mark on that? There are some situation where selling price can be more than markup price also. MRP also. Selling price MRP से ज्यादा हो सकता है. I tell you, रात के 1 बजे, ठीक है, आपको तलब लगी है किसी भी चीज की. आपने शटर बजाया, भाई 2 गोल्ड फ्लैग देते, ठीक है, कुछ भी बोला, अंदर से आवाज आई 100 रुपए लगेंगे. आप अपनी वकालत झाड़ रहे हो. एज पर रूल यू कैन नॉट सेल द थिंग इन मोर देन MRP. अंदर से आवाज आएगी सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाके ले ले, ठीक है. आप 100 रुपए पे करोगे. व्हेन देयर इज ए अर्जेंसी, देयर इज ए ब्लैक मार्केटिंग, डिमांड एंड सप्लाई, ठीक है. सो समटाइम्स यू हैव टू पे मोर देन MRP. अर्लियर देयर यूज्ड टू बी सिंगल स्क्रीन थिएटर्स. अब तो PVR टाइप हो गया, मल्टी स्क्रीन हो गया, बट इन सिंगल स्क्रीन, ठीक है. अमिताभ बच्चन की मूवी आ रही है, टिकट ब्लैक में बिक रही है. 10 रुपए की टिकट 50 रुपए में मूवी देख रहे हो. किसी ने देखी है ब्लैक में टिकट लेके मूवी? नहीं. तो हियर दैट टाइम सेलिंग प्राइस इज मोर देन MRP. आप नहीं कह सकते कि आप MRP से ज्यादा नहीं बेच सकते. ठीक है, वो कह रहा है भाई कोर्ट में जाके ले ले, तो मैं नहीं बेचूंगा फिर। सो हियर समटाइम्स सेलिंग प्राइस इज मोर, एमआरपी इज 100 रुपीज बट यू आर पेइंग 150 because you need that at that time, so you are paying extra. So here selling price can be more than markup price or MRP. Now next thing is, what is our diagram actually? This is cost price. If you add profit in cost price, we get selling price. If you deduct loss from cost price, we get selling price. And here we have markup price, and here we have discount. And rule is discount is always discounted from markup price. डिस्काउंट हमेशा मार्कअप प्राइस से घटता है तब सेलिंग प्राइस आता है. व्हाट इज अवर इक्वेशन हियर? मार्कअप प्राइस माइनस डिस्काउंट इज इक्वल टू सेलिंग प्राइस. मार्कअप प्राइस में से डिस्काउंट हटा दोगे तो सेलिंग प्राइस आएगा. मार्कअप प्राइस माइनस डिस्काउंट इज इक्वल टू सेलिंग प्राइस. ठीक है, fine. Now here I give you a question. A shopkeeper gives a discount of 20%, still makes a profit of 20%. A shopkeeper gives a discount of 20%, still make a profit of 20%. Find like markup price is how much percentage. Question is markup price is how much percentage more than cost price. Markup price is how much percentage more than cost price. I'm the shopkeeper. See, I make a profit of 20%, but I give a discount of 20% also. मैंने 20% डिस्काउंट देने के बाद भी 20% प्रॉफिट बनाया. So here, let us assume let cost price is 100 rupees. I need 20% profit. So I need 20 rupees profit. I have to sell it in 120. ठीक है, मेरे को वो आर्टिकल 120 रुपए का बेचना है. एंड आई टेल यू वन मोर थिंग अबाउट डिस्काउंट. आई टेल यू द साइकोलॉजी ऑफ डिस्काउंट. नॉट इन बिग सिटी बट इन ए स्मॉल सिटी, स्मॉल टाउन. और यू कैन चेक दिस थिंग. 2 दिन आप ना यहाँ पे सिंधी पार्क के पास सुबह फ्रूट मार्केट लगती है, ठीक है, वहां खड़े हो जाना एंड जस्ट आस्क दैट वेजिटेबल वेंडर. उसके प्राइस वेरी करेंगे. 2 घंटा उसके पास खड़े होना. यू कैन सी like here to a customer sometime he tell the price 200 rupees per kg. 5 मिनट बाद देखोगे 250 पर केजी भी बताता है. 2 मिनट बाद कोई और बूढ़ा इंसान आ गया, उसको 300 रुपए केजी भी बता देगा. See, I tell you what is discount. Discount or like what is this price? Markup price. It is mentioned according to the face of the customer. मुझे पता है ये कस्टमर अच्छा है, ये डिस्काउंट नहीं मांगेगा. I will ask the genuine discount or genuine price. I know this customer इसको झिक करनी है, बार्गेनिंग करनी है, प्राइस घटाना ही घटाना है. You need 10% discount. Don't worry, I give you a satisfaction of 10% discount. Let me increase the price. Discount is a wonderful therapy. कई लोगों को डिप्रेशन से बाहर निकालो ऐसे. You need 50% discount. Wait, let me make price double. मुझे प्राइस डबल करने तो I give you 50% discount. You need 90% discount, I will give, but let me make price 10 times higher. तो छोटे शहर में क्या है, मुझे पता है इन्होंने 20% डिस्काउंट लेना है. I already add 20% एक्स्ट्रा. पहले ही मैं उसमें ऐड करके चलूंगा. So markup price is already decided according to discount. So what we will do, see here, my fundamental right is I need profit. Customer fundamental right is bargain. उसको चाहिए डिस्काउंट, मुझे चाहिए प्रॉफिट. So I will adjust markup price accordingly. How much discount you need? 20%. I take markup price X. We have to find what is x. And what is our equation? Markup price minus discount is equal to selling price. X minus 20% of x is equal to 120. भाई हम मार्कअप प्राइस क्या रखें कि 20% डिस्काउंट देने के बाद भी आई गेट 120 फ्रॉम द कस्टमर. आई नीड 120. दैट इज द माई राइट. तो मैं मार्कअप प्राइस कितना रखूं? आई नो आई हैव टू गिव 20% डिस्काउंट, सो इवन आफ्टर गिविंग अ डिस्काउंट ऑफ 20% आई गेट 120. सो यू कैलकुलेट एक्स. व्हाट इज 20%? 1/5. x minus 1/5 x is 120. So it is 5x minus 1x 120. If you calculate this is 4/5x. 5x minus 1x 4/5x is 120. Cross multiply, x will be 120 into 5/4. This is 30 into 5, 150 rupees. So it means I have to make markup price 150. मुझे markup price 150 रखना होगा. Now you check. You are the customer. I have written a price of 150 on it. ठीक है, मुझे पता है आपने 20% डिस्काउंट मांगना ही मांगना है, तो पहले से ही मैंने इसके ऊपर प्राइस लिख दिया 150. ओके, सो मार्कअप प्राइस 150. You ask me 20% डिस्काउंट. What is 20% of 150? 30 रुपीज डिस्काउंट. ठीक है, आपको कितना डिस्काउंट चाहिए? 20%. What is 20% of 150? 30 रुपीज. You have paid me 120. और मुझे वही चाहिए था. इट इज ए रिवर्स कैलकुलेशन. मतलब हमें पहले से ही मार्कअप प्राइस ऐसा डिसाइड करना है सो दैट इवन गिविंग ए डिस्काउंट ऑफ 20% आई कैन मेक ए प्रॉफिट 20%. आई रिपीट, वी एज्यूम कॉस्ट प्राइस 100. दोनों वैल्यू को कभी भी 100 मत मानो. एक को 100 मानो, दूसरे को x मान लो, वेरिएबल. I need 20% profit, so it means selling price has to be 120. What should be markup price? X. So that even after giving a discount of 20%, selling price will be 120. Markup price minus discount is equal to selling price. X minus 20% of X is 120. Solve for X, it will come 150. So markup price has to be 150. But this 150 is not answer. Question is markup price is how much percentage more than cost price. 150 is how much percentage more than 100. Difference upon reference. Are you able to recall? Percentage more, less, increase, decrease. So 150 minus 100 upon 100. Then cost price. Cost price is the base. 50 upon 100. It is 1/2, 50% more. So your markup price has to be 50% more so that even after giving a discount of 20%, you can make a profit of 20%. Let us practice one or two extra questions. Even after giving a discount of 30%, shopkeeper makes a profit of 40%. 30% डिस्काउंट देने के बाद भी शॉपकीपर ने 40% प्रॉफिट बना लिया. मार्कअप प्राइस इज हाउ मच परसेंटेज मोर देन कॉस्ट प्राइस. फाइंड markup price is how much percentage more than cost price. प्रॉफिट 40% का है, डिस्काउंट 30% का है. क्या रहा है 30% ऑफ एक्स होगा ये, डिस्काउंट ऑफ मार्कअप प्राइस 30% ऑफ एक्स, इसको सेलिंग प्राइस के इक्वेट कर दो, मार्कअप प्राइस आ जाएगा, फिर निकालो मार्कअप प्राइस कॉस्ट प्राइस से कितना परसेंटेज ज्यादा है। Those who are done, what is your answer? 100%. Let me take जिसका नहीं सोल्व हुआ। स्टेप नंबर 1, वी एज्यूम लेट कॉस्ट प्राइस 100, आई नीड प्रॉफिट 40%, 40% ऑफ 100 40, सो सेलिंग प्राइस 140। व्हाट शुड बी मार्कअप प्राइस x? तो इवन आफ्टर गिविंग ए डिस्काउंट ऑफ 30% आई गेट 140। मुझे 140 चाहिए, 30% डिस्काउंट दे दूंगा बट x उसके हिसाब से ही होगा। सो हियर markup price minus discount is equal to selling price x. Discount is always calculated on markup price. 30% of x is equal to 140. What is 30%? 3 by 10. X minus 3 by 10 is 7 by 10. I think at this level अभी सिर्फ 20-25 क्लास बची है. You have to be fast in this. अगर आप पूछोगे 7 by 10 कहां से आया, मतलब any one of you like having that response कि how dare you return directly 7 by 10x, मतलब ऐसा कोई है तो नहीं अभी? Is it okay? x minus 3 by 10x is 7 by 10x. x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 140 into 10 by 7, 7 to the 140, 200. So markup price will be 200. You can check 30% discount or 200 is 60 rupees discount, तो 140 मिल गया। But question is not 200, question is markup price is how much percentage more than cost price. Difference upon reference, तो 100 upon 100, 100%. So markup price is 100% more than cost price. Even I told you, if anything become double, 100% more. If markup price is double as compared to cost price, so 100% increase is there. One more question. Even after giving a discount of 25%, shopkeeper makes profit of 20%. 25% डिस्काउंट देने के बाद भी शॉपकीपर मेक ए प्रॉफिट ऑफ 20%. व्हाट इज द मार्कअप? व्हाट इज द मार्कअप? आई टेल यू दिस इज द शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द मार्कअप? इफ एग्जामिनर आस्क व्हाट इज द मार्कअप, इट इटसेल्फ मींस मार्कअप प्राइस इज हाउ मच परसेंटेज मोर देन कॉस्ट. मार्कअप, हमने मार्कअप प्राइस को कितने परसेंट से एक्स्ट्रा लिया. व्हाट इज द मार्कअप इटसेल्फ मींस, इसका मतलब ये है क्वेश्चन का, मार्कअप प्राइस इज हाउ मच परसेंटेज मोर देन कॉस्ट प्राइस. हाँ टेस्ट भी है, और बता, फुल लेंथ टेस्ट भी रेडी है देना. क्वेश्चन की कमी नहीं है हमारे पास, पीवाईक्यू भी है. पीवाईक्यू देखते हैं. 97 6 क्वेश्चन है पीवाई के। 2024 छोड़ के 2024 में हो क्या नहीं है। हाँ जी 160 इज नॉट द आंसर, यू हैव टू से 60%। 160 आने के बाद आपको ये निकालना है मार्कअप प्राइस इज हाउ मच परसेंटेज मोर देन कॉस्ट प्राइस। ये नहीं पूछ रहा व्हाट इज द मार्कअप प्राइस, ये पूछ रहा है व्हाट इज द मार्कअप। मार्कअप का मतलब होता है बाय हाउ मच परसेंटेज वी हैव मार्कअप द प्राइस, इसका मतलब ही है। सो वी एज्यूम लेट कॉस्ट प्राइस इज 100, I make a profit 20%, so 20 rupees profit I have to sell in 120, markup price X, discount 25%. Even after giving a discount of 25%, it is 120. X minus 25% of X is 120. What is 25%? 1 by 4. X minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. तो X क्या आ जाएगा 120 into 4 by 3. तो here 40 into 4 160. So markup price 160. Markup price is how much percentage more than cost price? 60%. 160 is how much percentage more than 100? 60%. Now we give you the test. You can try at your home. उसमें 6 या 7 क्वेश्चन होंगे. Online students also. Your homework. अच्छा कल कोई होमवर्क पूछ रहा था. This test दे दो. Profit and loss chapter, home assignment. Now you can try. This is your homework, home assignment, profit and loss. There are 16 question plus this test. जो आज टेस्ट मिल रहा है वो भी आप घर पे कर लेना. Tomorrow we will start with partnership. Partnership is a small topic. So tomorrow only I will try so that I can teach partnership plus problem on ages. क्योंकि पार्टनरशिप की वेटेज बहुत कम है और प्रॉब्लम ऑन एजेस ऑल्सो हो जाएंगे दोनों टॉपिक अगर आप लोग साथ देंगे तो। टोटल 7 क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन टुडेज लेक्चर। पहला क्वेश्चन सक्सेसिव डिस्काउंट का है, दूसरा क्वेश्चन बाय मिस्टेक सेलिंग प्राइसेस है बेस, तीसरा क्वेश्चन आई सोल्ड ए टीवी एट 20% लॉस, बाद में 20% प्रॉफिट है। दिस इज चेन रूल, चेन रूल पे 2 क्वेश्चन है, एमआरपी पे भी 1 क्वेश्चन है आई थिंक। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 एमआरपी पे है। ओके यू गॉट द टेस्ट। अगर क्वेश्चन में पूछे व्हाट इज द मार्कअप, इट इटसेल्फ मींस मार्कअप प्राइस इज हाउ मच परसेंटेज मोर देन कॉस्ट प्राइस। हाउ मच परसेंटेज मार्कअप प्राइस इज हाउ मच परसेंटेज मोर देन कॉस्ट प्राइस। व्हाट इज द मार्कअप, क्वेश्चन में अगर ये बोल देगा आई रिपीट either examiner give complete statement markup price is how much percentage more than cost price, but sometime examiner give a short question what is the markup। इसमें वो मार्कअप प्राइस नहीं पूछता कभी भी, वो पूछना चाहता है मार्कअप प्राइस इज हाउ मच परसेंटेज मोर देन कॉस्ट प्राइस। वही करना है जो पिछले क्वेश्चन में किया था, सेम ही करना है, बट व्हाट इज द मार्कअप इटसेल्फ मींस मार्कअप प्राइस इज हाउ मच परसेंटेज मोर देन कॉस्ट प्राइस। अगर ये 160 है, ये 100 है, 160 इज हाउ मच परसेंटेज मोर देन 100, 160 minus 100 upon 100, 60 upon 100, 60. Okay. ठीक है जी, thank you student. Okay. Tomorrow we will start partnership. देखो 2024 PYQ प्लस एक्सप्लेनेशन. अभी मेरी टीम से बात हुई है, आपको 30 सितंबर या मतलब फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ अक्टूबर तक ही मिल पाएगा. A watch passes through 3 hand, each gain 25%. If the second sell it for ₹250. हाँ ये कर लेंगे हम, मैं बताता हूँ कैसे करना. अभी रुको, कितना क्लासेस बचा है? 6 क्लासेस. आज क्या है? मंगलवार. 4 6 और 4 10, 10 और 6 16, 16 और 9 25 क्लास बचा है. 10 अक्टूबर तक, 10 अक्टूबर तक खत्म हो जाएंगी क्लासेस जनवरी में. ओके. यस, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस कंप्लीटेड. क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है? 25% सबने बनाया, SP2 250 है, तो इसमें क्या करना है? CP1 100 प्लस 25 125%, 100 प्लस 25 125% इक्वल टू SP2. क्योंकि दो ही लोग हैं तो SP2 हो जाएगा. इट इज 250. CP1 125% इज 5/4, 5/4. तो CP1 25 अपॉन 16 250. इसको वहां ले जाओ. CP1 इज 250 इंटू 16 अपॉन 25. इट गिव यू 10, तो 160 रुपीज. तो आ जाएगा 160 उस केस में. इफ CP2 is 250, what is CP1? You can find. तो उसमें दो ही लोग हो गए बस, तो दोनों लोगों का प्रॉफिट ऐड करके SP2 के बराबर कर दो. ओके, चलो फाइन. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स. See you tomorrow. Do this test. I give the answer of this test, and doubt of this test I will take tomorrow. Yes, that you can do. Yes, split poll if you are comfortable. Yes. तो इसका मतलब आपके कंसेप्ट बेटर है, तो आप अगर 99 मानेंगे तो एक वैल्यू 90 हो जाएगी, दूसरी वैल्यू 100 हो जाएगी. यस, यू कैन डू. बेटर एज्यूम सेलिंग प्राइस इन दैट क्वेश्चन 99 जो आप पूछ रहे हो. टुडे लेक्चर इज बिट फास्ट. यस, अभी तो मुझे लग रहा है कि आपको थोड़ा सा लेवल बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. ऑल ऑफ यू हैव टू इंक्रीज द लेवल, क्योंकि अभी तो पार्टनरशिप प्रॉब्लम एनालिसिस करेंगे, फिर अगले हफ्ते तो समझो फॉल्टी क्लॉक, कलरिंग ऑफ क्यूब एंड क्यूबॉइड, परमुटेशन, कॉम्बिनेशन एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी. तो डू रिवाइज. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, आज का लेक्चर फास्ट था, थोड़ा लेंथी था, बट आई हैव टेकन 4 एग्जाम्पल इन ईच टाइप. हर टाइप में मैंने 4 एग्जाम्पल आपके साथ डिस्कस किया है. डू रिवाइज. ठीक है, मतलब मुझे लग रहा है प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस की वी हैव डन डिसेंट कवरेज. इसके बाद आपका क्वेश्चन नहीं छूटना चाहिए प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस का, वट एवर दे आस्क. 99% चांसेस आपका क्वेश्चन यहीं से फंस जाएगा. प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस से अगर कोई क्वेश्चन होता. नहीं, रीडिंग कंप्रिहेंशन के अभी 6 लेक्चर बचे हैं. रीडिंग कंप्रिहेंशन का आपका 20 सितंबर से लेके 29 सितंबर वाला जो वीक आएगा, मतलब 22 से लेके आई थिंक 22 तारीख से मंडे स्टार्ट है, 22 सितंबर टू 28 सितंबर यू हैव योर रीडिंग कंप्रिहेंशन क्लासेस बैक टू बैक. वो 6 क्लासेस सर अभी दिल्ली में नहीं है, तो वो क्लासेस सर लेंगे. ठीक है, तब तक मेरी क्लासेस चलेंगी और उसके बाद भी मेरी क्लासेस चलेंगी. बाय 10 अक्टूबर वी कंप्लीट योर क्लासेस. ठीक है, 10 अक्टूबर आपकी क्लासेस कंप्लीट हो जाएगी. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.